Commuters along the ever-busy NTA Mboba Road in Port Harcourt were stranded on Wednesday as commercial bus drivers went on strike in solidarity with one of their own who was shot dead around Location Junction during an altercation with Road Traffic Task Force officials. The slain driver's colleagues alleged that they were also attacked by members of the task force who vandalized their vehicles and assaulted them physically.
They damaged all our vehicles, that was over 50 vehicles, over 50 buses that were parked there. They destroyed our windscreen all around, our tires, even my own vehicle. They managed to bring it here. You see, we are not criminals, we don't steal, we are not cultists. We don't carry arms. We survive by this daily struggle.
We are armless people hustling to make our daily need. It's very, very unfortunate. Somebody leaving his house in the morning to go and look for his daily bread and is being shot by a security operatives. So today we decided to down our tools to register our grievances in relation to what happened yesterday.
They vowed to carry on with the protest until they get justice from the River State government.
Why we are doing this is for government to take charge for the things they damage so that we can be able to go back to our work, as well as to take care of the young man that is lying down there in the mortuary, UPTH.
At the receiving end of the drivers' protest were commuters who had to trek several kilometers to get to their destinations.
You know, I trek all the way from Rumokwachi down to this place. All the way from Rumokwachi. That's where I'm coming from. And I'm going to work at Tigrita. They said one of them, that they lost one of their colleagues. Since morning, they started having this riot and all of that.
The wicked task force killed one of their driver yesterday over just a matter of exchanging words. Why you didn't park well? Why did you park well? Come down and don't come down. At the end of the day, the civil defense man shot the driver instantly. So injury to one is injury to all. It's on that note the driver this morning said no movement. Yes, it's life that involved. Somebody's father, somebody's brother, somebody's uncle that is involved. At least they wouldn't have suffered us like this. At least there will be a small movement, allow some persons to move, but not to totally shut down the system like this.
Motorists equally had a raw deal at the Obirikwere axis of the road as a result of traffic obstruction and the atmosphere of insecurity created by the rampaging drivers.
These boys in the town have hijacked the situation. It's not only that somebody died. They have hijacked it. They want to use it as a means of, destroying people and property. So government should rise up now because their intention is to carry this in throughout this week.
The task force on illegal street trading and traffic was reinstated only recently after Governor Nyesom Wike dissolved it in August last year for engaging in a series of fights with motorists and street traders in Port Harcourt.
Inside the Niger Delta,